Hello, dear Leos. How are you guys doing? And this is Anjali Tarot. A very good morning to you guys. So, this is a general love reading from 11th of May till 21st of May. So, I'll tap into a partner's energy, their feelings for you, what they want from you, and what to expect from this person till 21st of May. Okay. So, remember, this is a general love reading. So, it might or might not resonate with you. And if the story resonates with you, do check out till the end of the video so you will know the whole story and what you should do. Okay. What is coming towards you. So let's quickly tap into your partner's energy. So Eight of Wands, communication coming in towards you. If you guys are in no contact with each other, or you guys are separated, or you guys are living in a distance relationship or in a distant relationship with each other, so whatever the scenario is, they want to communicate with you. They want to have back and forth communication with you. I feel like there was some kind of misunderstanding going on in this connection, on this relationship as a whole, and that is why they are feeling like they should communicate with you. This is their current energy, the need of communication, back and forth communication, lots of communication. This is what they feel like doing. Okay. Or this is their current energy. Let's clarify the Eight of Wands, what they want to communicate with you. The Star, the Hanged Man, and the World. I feel like there is some kind of misunderstanding going on in this connection, Leos. Okay, that is why they want to have a back and forth communication, because they are very hopeful. Because they are very hopeful about this connection, they are hopeful and positive about this particular situation. They feel like this relationship or this connection has lots of potential. Okay, and that is why they are feeling like they are might be they were holding back from a very long time. Okay, so they were positive about this. They were feeling like there's beauty in this connection, there's positivity in this connection, there is hope in this connection, but they were taking a step back, but they were trying to hide their emotions, might be, or they were stuck on you. They are feeling completely stuck on you, might be. Okay, and there is some kind of unfinished business that is going on between you guys. Okay, that is why they want to communicate with you. There is something that is not completed, that needs to be completed. Might be there is some painful situation that needs to be completed, and they want to talk to you about that, or there's a closure, or there's a brand new beginning, because after the World card is here, I feel like there's a brand new beginning in everything. Okay, this is fast communication. This is lots of communication, not like just a phone call or just a text message. It is like communicating or conversation between two parties, a lot of conversation coming in, because there's some unfinished business here. Okay, that is why they want to rush in. That is their current energy. Let's see what your current energy, Leo. Your current energy. Your current energy right now is the Star. See, they're also hopeful. You are also hopeful. They also had Star in this reading, in their energy, if you remember. So you are healing from something. You are healing from a trauma. Maybe you are healing from a painful situation from the past, or regarding this connection, or something from your past was haunting you. Their memories were haunting you. Something is there that was making you feel like hell, and you are healing from that process. And you are very hopeful, Leos, that this thing will pass. This shall also pass. Okay, and this is like a hopeful situation, a beautiful start about of your new life. So might be you are doing spiritual healing, chakra healing, or something like that. Let's clarify the Star in your current energy. Let's clarify the Star, the Four of Wands, the Ten of Swords, and the King of Pentacles. Okay. So I feel like you are very positive that there will be a brand new beginning, and there will be a committed relationship coming towards you, and or you are feeling like a marriage proposal will come towards you, or you will be committed to this person very soon. Okay, so I feel like you had lots of hope, lots of memories, and lots of sweet things to do with this particular person. You were hoping for a connection, you were hoping for a marriage, you were hoping for something long term, but you felt betrayed by this particular person. You felt like this person betrayed you, or they backstabbed you, or they did something very nasty, that made you feel like, oh my god, I am not going to talk to this person again in my life. Okay, but the worst was over, and you again, you stood up, and might be now you are working on yourself. To me, now this card is telling me that you are working on yourself, self care, self healing. You're working on your own business, your own money. You're working on yourself, Leos. This is a beautiful energy. So yes, they need to communicate with, they want, they feel like they should communicate with you, and you are feeling like you should, work on yourself, focus on yourself. This is your energy. What they feel for you, Leos, what they feel for you. King of Pentacles. See, I feel like you guys are mirroring each other in the form of energy. They feel like this relationship should be stable. They feel like there is something that is not done in this relationship or in this connection, and there should be stability, there should be compatibility, there should be, lots of communication, lots of clearance from both the parties. All they feel about you, all they feel about this connection is lack of stability, and that is why they feel like there should be stability in this connection, and there should be communication, open and honest communication in this connection. Okay, let's clarify the King of Pentacles. For you, the King of Pentacles showed me that you want to heal from something, you want to heal from a very painful situation. Okay, you were having lots of dreams about marriage or something like that, from this particular connection with this particular person, but you felt betrayed by them. Now they are feeling this relationship lacks stability, and they are might be coming in towards you and offering you something. Let's see what is going coming towards you. So right now, let's clarify the King of Pentacles as their feelings. Ace of Wands. Okay, this is Ace of Wands, and this is Six of Wands in reverse, and the Queen of Cups. So they are ready to have a brand new beginning with you, to be very honest. They feel like the lack of stability. They want to have a brand new beginning with you because they're stuck on you somewhere, because they are not able to move towards, move in any direction without you. That is why they are feeling like that. They are feeling stuck. Okay, and they are feeling like they love you. They were blocking their feelings. They were trying to control their feelings that they love you or they have emotions for you, or they were trying to, hide or mask their feelings. But right now, I feel like this person is finally getting this feeling of, having a brand new beginning with you, because now they are feeling love for you. Now they are feeling emotions for you, because now they are feeling like they are not able to move anywhere without you. That is the thing. There was some kind of blockages, Leo. Okay, so let's see what they want from you, Leos. What this particular person wants from you. What this person wants from you, Leo. Nine of Pentacles. Okay, so Leos, this is weird, because this person is feeling like a need to communicate with you. All they want from you is to work on yourself, focus on your money, focus on your health, focus on your beauty, focus on everything that is related to you. This is a very beautiful feeling. They want you to become something in life. They want you to earn name and fame. They want you to grow in life. This is kind of true love feelings. Okay, they are feeling the feelings of love now. Okay, so basically this person wants you to grow, this person wants you to be independent, and this person wants you to be stable in your own life. Okay, that is what they want from you. That is beautiful energy. They want you to be happy, they want you to be stable in your life. They want you to see you grow. Okay, let's clarify the Nine of Pentacles further. Seven of Cups and the Tower and the Ace of Swords. Yes, I feel like this person wants you to come out of this confusing state and start all over again. This person can see that you were going through a lot in your life, and this person can feel the pain that you were going through. So might be you were very very confused about something in your life, and there was a sudden realization in your zone, or in your aura, or in your energy, that you want to have a brand new start of your life. Okay, and this person also wants this from you. This is a beautiful person Whosoever is this person, I feel like this person hurted you a lot in the past. Okay, they made your life miserable, they made your life look like hell, and now they are feeling true love towards you. Now they are feeling that you should grow, you should be independent, you should be happy. Okay, they want you to realize that everything is going to be fine. They want you to realize that start a new chapter in your life. That is a beautiful energy. Nice. Cut out all the bullshit from your life, even if the bullshit is them only. So that is what they want from you, to be happy, to be independent. Let's see what to expect from this person till 21st of May. What to expect from this person till 21st of May. The High Priestess, hiding their emotions from you. Leo, this person is not going to tell you exactly what they are feeling, exactly what they are going through, exactly what they want from you. But they are, trying to listen to their intuition. Might be they are waiting for the right time to come towards you. The High Priestess is somebody who is very intuitive, and they know what to do when at what time. Okay, so this person is like might be acting cold towards you, or detached from you, or they are acting like they don't give a shit towards you. But this person is in love with you, deeply in love with you. Okay, and all they want from you is to take care of yourself, take care of your money, take care of your health and wealth, and be independent. They are seeing you as some kind of celebrity or something. Okay, for them you are the celebrity. So let's clarify the High Priestess. Why are they hiding their emotions from you? Or might be they are feeling like this is not the right time to connect with you or talk to you or say anything to you. Page of Swords, the Devil, and the Eight of Swords. This person is spying on you, Leo. This person is watching your every move. This person is spying on you via Facebook or Insta. Social media spying is there. This person is kind of obsessed with you. They are feeling like they can't get you over. They can't get you out of their head or their soul or their heart. So they are kind of obsessed with you. Okay, and they are feeling like they are in the jail of some kind. They are mentally stuck on you, they're mentally stuck on you, they're physically and emotionally stuck on you, and they're spying on you because they are feeling like this is not the right time to act. And that is why might be they are trying to listen to their intuition, trying to their spirit, trying to tap into their spiritual energy, trying to connect to their spiritual guides or spiritual gurus or something like that. Basically they are trying to focus their shift on something else apart from you, but they are not able to do that. But they are not able to do that, at least not till 21st, because I feel like this person is stuck on you, this person is spying on you, this person is stuck on you, and they're feeling like they're in some kind of mental conflict or in jail or something like that without you. That is why they are treating you silently. That is why they might be not talking to you, or if they are talking to you, they are not talking to you in that manner of love or something like that, even though this person is deeply in love with you and they want to communicate with you, they want to have a conversation with you, and not like a normal conversation, hell lot of conversation. But I don't feel like this person coming towards you and telling you this. Okay, Leos, stuck on you, they're stuck on you. So let's pull one card from the Love Oracle deck. What is coming towards you? Yeah, completely stuck on you. The Phoenix, new phase, rekindle, renew, transformation, growth. So this is coming towards a transformation and growth, a new phase, rekindling. Okay. So let me tell you something, Leos. If you feel like you should talk to this person, I think you should go and talk to this person. They will respond to you very, very beautifully. Okay. You can also start a new conversation, or you can also start a connection with this particular person if you want to. If if you want to. But if you want this person to come towards you, give it some more time. They will eventually come towards you. They are not coming towards you. I feel like they are not coming towards you till 21st of May, but they will eventually. Their feelings are telling me that they will eventually come towards you. Okay, the bridging energy between you guys, or the mutual energy, is the justice. So both of you are right now feeling like they are doing justice with each other or to their own self. So this person is feeling like I should do justice to myself, I should do justice to my feelings, and you are feeling like I should do justice with myself, with my feelings. So I feel like both of you right now are taking care of themselves, taking care of your own happiness or own growth. You guys, both of you guys are healing, both of you guys are mirroring each other in terms of energy. But I feel like this person is now feeling a lot of love towards you, lot of emotions towards you, and all they want from you is to be happy. So thanks a lot, Leos, for tuning in. This is Anjali Tarot. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section below if this story resonates with you. Thank you so much. Namaste.